Hello and welcome. Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, once again sharing with you our newest stock. Today is the return of this fabulous brand new Range Rover Sport, available here in this crisp white colour with a contrasting black roof, as well as these gorgeous looking alloy wheels. Key equipment highlights of this model will include the benefit of full LED pixel headlights with signature shaped LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side these large grey alloy wheels will contrast the overall look. Around the side you also find decorative door inserts, and there's also a sliding panoramic sunroof on offer as well. Signature shaped LED tail lights look incredibly gorgeous, and moving to the front there are decorative door and dash inserts on offer with a Meridian sound system. Front seats also benefit from electric and memory functionality, and the driver will be certainly pleased with this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated as well. Interactive driver display up ahead with head-up display functions are also available, and in the center 13-inch PV Pro services will unlock built-in sat-nav with 2-zone climate control system that's easy to operate when on the move. Additionally, various drive modes are available for the four-wheel drive system, as well as a number of DAB digital radio receptions. Additionally, you can enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the seats benefit from 5-stage massage function and heated and cooling functionality. A number of active safety systems will be on offer to protect you and your occupants at all times, with an easy-to-operate 3D surround parking camera helping you squeeze even in the tightest of supermarket bays. Overhead, a digital rear view camera is also available with an auto-dimming feature, and even higher up there are easy controls for the electric sunroof and tilt sunshade blind.